In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to access shaders on Roblox. Now, before I get into the video, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention so you get all the information that you need about this topic, because it's a bit unsure and there's a lot of videos out there that are quite misleading. So the first thing I want to say is that you used to be able to go onto websites like reshade, stuff like that. It looked a bit like this. You used to be able to go here and just like click download reshade, and then you'd be able to go to this free one here and download it. But this does not actually work anymore because Roblox have updated their systems so that it blocks these. So they used to work very well, and you can see like how they looked before. They looked really good, but now these don't work anymore. The same with FPS unblockers and stuff like that. They do not work since the Roblox has updated them. Now in the future you can give this a go. I mean, you can even give it a go now and see if it does work, if it's been updated. But for me, when I install it, nothing happens. I'll show you what you would do. You'd press download here, you'd accept all these terms, and then you wait like 5 seconds for this to install. Boom, press skip, and it's going to download this folder here. I'm actually going to close Roblox quickly. Close it. It opened this up here. I need to make sure it's closed fully. Yep, it's fully closed. So open up this here, and it's going to ask you to install. I'm actually going to uninstall it first because I want a fresh install of this. So I can press next. I can cancel, and then I can open it again and install. So here we go. You put install. It asks what key binds you want for it to turn on. It's going to ask you what presets you want, and you press install, and it's going to download the shaders and textures. It's going to do all of this stuff here, and you can hit next, and then you can cancel this. Now what you would do is you would go here and type in reshade. I'm putting it wrong. Yeah, you would type it in here, and it says reshade launcher. I can open this, and what used to happen was it would work and it would pop up that it's going to work, but right now you can see like it doesn't work up here. There's no button telling you that it's working, which is a bit annoying. You can go into a game and try and turn it on, and it still will not work. So for now, this does not work. In the future, they may change it. Just keep looking out for updates and see if it does work in the future. So I'm sorry this video isn't the type of video that you really wanted to see. All the other videos on here as well, most of them are also telling you to use reshade, but it just doesn't work. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this gave you some clarity on the situation. Thank you for watching.